You see, ultimately we can think in terms of two ways. Either with our body in the center or with Krishna in the center. Conditioned life means seeing things with the body in the center. Right? For example, that we see something and we feel very disgusted, very repulsed. Say we see some dirty things and we immediately repulse to that. On the other hand, we see something and we are immediately attracted to that. Now, what is the cause of that attraction and repulsion? Our sense gratification, our senses. Things that are conducive to our sense gratification, we are attracted to that. Things that are detrimental to our sense gratification, we are repulsed to that. So that means we are relating with the body in the center. We can reverse the situation and put Krishna in the center. Seeing things in the light of Krishna. As I said, like a king, how would he meditate upon Krishna in that way? Then he had to drop all his royal responsibilities. But what is he doing? He is seeing, oh, these citizens are Krishna's children. This kingdom is Krishna's kingdom. I am Krishna's representative. And now I have to take care of Krishna's kingdom and Krishna's children. So, on behalf of Krishna, I have to make these arrangements. So that is Krishna consciousness.